அருட்பெருஞ்சோதி அகவல். Explanatory notes by Swami Sarvanananda of Dindigul. Heading 61. The knowledge of commonness, equal vision. அகவல் அருட்பெருஞ்சோதி அகவல் lines 121 and 122. பொது உணரும் போதலால் பிரித்தே அதுவில் தோன்ற அருட்பெருஞ்சோதி. By means of faculty of reasoning, we are able to know so many things. This knowing of something is knowledge of them. The knowledge of human mind wonderful and limitless. By this knowledge looking in and out, to find out the true cause and effect of this universe, we see ourselves, this world, and many heavenly bodies in the space above. But we are unable to imagine the remote past and the future of the universe. Our mental faculty enables us to think of the past to some extent with the help of heresy, history, and imagination, and the future also is imagined, foreseen, and consequently thought of. But one supreme thing or force, which is the root cause of all, is not known to us. By the grace of God, we feel that one almighty force is working constantly from the very beginning of creation and action, formatting the universe. If we come to know that almighty force is working from within us, by that divine power, we may comprehend all the universal truth from top to bottom. To understand the whole is not difficult, but it is easy because the divine truth is eternal, changeless, complete, and present everywhere, expressing out multifariously. Therefore, if we realize the truth of the Almighty in this bodily life, the whole will be understood very easily. We know that the first seed of our being is the soul atom, which is kept aglow in our midhead. This soul atom is nothing but the small form of God Almighty with full power for the purpose of our realization. Therefore, the soul particle is both ourself and himself. It is attribute or quality. This is the common form of God and man. Can we point out and explain God and man separately? No, we can't. Let us see the truth. The divine soul atom is the form of God surrounded forever by the grace-filled universe, and his omni-grace is working for eternity. Same thing is true when that soul atom is taken to represent man. He, as a soul particle, is existing eternally and surrounded by the same grace-filled universe, working forever. When we realize this soul is a common form of God and man, we are holding ourselves in the highest plane of the grace, where we and God have no different existence, but in one. Is this the only form common to him and us? Yes, it is true to the knowledge, and at the same time, God only is existing everywhere, in all souls also. Therefore, we too experience both the unity from here and diversity from everywhere. In common divine soul experience, no other person or thing is perceived everywhere. From material and physical plane, when we look at the world, we see different people, living beings, things and all. But when we perceive from the common soul abode, we see but our divine self only existing with the same gracious light formed differently for gaining practical experience. The commonness of ourself and God is experienced from the superconscious gracious plane. From nowhere, this truth will be seen as it is. In fact, everything is Arutparanjodi. Arul, the grace, is all powerfully acting from the innermost, while Perunjodi is all forms of the whole universe, evolved and involved by the action of indwelling Arul as its own attribute. By this common knowledge of Arutparanjodi, we can acknowledge all or but this Arutparanjodi alone. This is the knowledge of commonness. We cannot point out separately either ourselves or divine self. A Vedanti can say himself that a divine being is true and permanent, while his body and the universe are untrue and ephemeral, his knowledge of separation is only imaginary but not true to practical experience. He thinks that there are two entities, the Atma and non Atma, soul and non soul, pervading the whole universe. In fact, our inseparable Arutparanjodi only is existing both in soul and non soul state in the universe. Arutparanjodi and Arutparanjodi, தனிப்பெரும் கருணை Arutparanjodi தயவு.